So last night I took the cat trying to open the freezer door. And actually, I have already experienced seeing that the switch was gone because the cat had opened the.
Mm-hmm.
So last night, when I went out to pee, I see the cat trying to open the freezer door. So
Oh.
what I do is I get the dog
Oh.
chain, and I tie that to the fridge. And I tie the fridge.
Mm.
So when somebody might come into my house, will be shocked seeing how greedy is this person be. Why is the fridge tied up with?
Yeah. Be careful.
So the fridge was tied up